Today, I'm going to teach you how to set up security settings on Upwork. This is an essential step in protecting your freelance account and ensuring that only you can access your profile and earnings. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to upwork.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're fully signed in before moving forward, as you'll need access to your account settings to make these changes. After you've logged in, look toward the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Account Settings. This is where you'll find all the tools to manage your account preferences, payment methods, and most importantly, your security features. Once you're in the Account Settings area, turn your attention to the left panel. Here you'll see various categories listed. Click on Password and Security. This section is dedicated to helping you strengthen your account's protection, and it's where we'll be working for the rest of this tutorial. Now scroll down the page until you locate the section labeled Security Question and Answer. This feature acts as an additional layer of verification in case you ever need to recover your account. When you find it, click on Update Question and Answer to begin the setup process. You'll first need to verify your identity by answering your current security question if you have one set up already. Type your answer in the designated field and proceed. This step ensures that only you can make changes to these sensitive settings. Next, it's time to set your new security question. Navigate to the area where you can choose a new question, click the drop-down menu below it, and you'll see a list of available questions. Select the one that you feel most comfortable answering and that only you would know the answer to. Choose wisely, as this question could be crucial for account recovery. After selecting your question, you'll need to set your new answer. Type it carefully in the designated field. Make sure it's something memorable but not too obvious to anyone else. This answer will be required if you ever need to verify your identity in the future. Before finalizing your changes, you'll see two checkboxes. Click the box beside "I understand my account will be locked if I am unable to answer this question." This is Upwork's way of emphasizing how important this security measure is. Then, click the box beside "Keep me logged in on this device" if you're using a personal secure device. This will save you time on future logins. Finally, click Save to confirm all your changes. Your new security settings are now active, and your Upwork account has an added layer of protection. And that's it. You've successfully set up your security settings on Upwork, making your freelance account more secure. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.